Imagine this for a moment. Every single minute, the earth is hit with more energy from the sun than humanity uses in an entire year. Winds stronger than anything we could create mechanically sweeps across oceans every second. Rivers flow with unbelievable force. Tides rise and fall with the pull of the moon. And deep beneath our feet burns a natural furnace hotter than the surface of the sun. And yet, over a century, we have powered our entire world with fuels that takes millions of years to form and a few hours to burn. Fuels that fill our skies with pollution and our planet with heat. But today, everything is changing because we are stepping into a world powered not by scarcity but by abundance. A world built on renewable energy. Renewable energy is simple at its core. It's energy that comes from sources that never run out. It's energy that continuously replenishes itself, like sunlight, wind, water, heat, and organic waste from plants and animals. Think of it as shifting from withdrawing money from a limited savings account to collecting a salary every single day. It's unlimited, it's sustainable, and it's all around us. Take solar energy, one of the most powerful gifts the earth receives. Every time sunlight hits a panel, tiny particles of light knock electrons loose, creating electricity. It's like catching pieces of sun and turning them into power. We can do this on rooftops, in massive solar farms, and even with mirrors that focus sunlight to create extreme heat. Some systems heat water, some power factories, and some supply entire cities. The sun rises every morning, and every morning the potential is set to infinite. Then there's wind. Wind energy is beautifully simple. The wind turns the blades of a turbine, and the turbine spins a generator and electricity flows. That's it. And because offshore winds are stronger and more consistent, giant wind turbines now stand anchored in the ocean, quietly powering thousands of homes each. On land, wind farms stretch across plains like forests of motion. Even small homes can use mini turbines to generate power. No fuel required, just the movement of air. Water too has powered us for thousands of years, and today we harness it at scale through hydropower. When water moves, it carries energy. When it falls, it carries even more. Dams release water that spins turbines. Rivers drive run-off river systems without needing large reservoirs. Mountain valleys host pump storage plants that work like giant rechargeable batteries, pumping water uphill when electricity is cheap and letting it flow back down when demand spikes. And in remote areas, tiny micro hydro systems quietly power villages. Wherever water moves, electricity can follow. But the story doesn't end there. Biomass, energy from plants, organic waste, and natural materials, is one of humanity's oldest natural resources. When organic matter breaks down and is processed, it releases energy that can be converted to heat, electricity, or fuel. Food waste becomes biogas, crop leftovers become power. Even the gas buried in landfills can be captured and used. It's renewable as long as we manage it sustainably, replan what we use, and protect our forests. And beneath our feet lies geothermal energy, the earth's natural heat. The deeper you go, the hotter it gets. In some places, steam bursts naturally from the ground. In others, deep wells bring heat to the surface. That heat can drive turbines to create electricity or warm entire buildings through geothermal heat pumps. Unlike sunlight or wind, geothermal energy is constant. Day or night, rain or shine, it never stops. But the future pushes even further. Tidal energy uses the rise and fall of the oceans. Wave energy captures the movement of water's surface. Floating solar panels cover lakes and reservoirs, increasing efficiency by staying naturally cool. And green hydrogen, created by splitting water using renewable electricity, is becoming a clean fuel that can power industries, vehicles, and even airplanes. These aren't just ideas, they are prototypes, pilot systems, and emerging solutions shaping the next generation of energy technology. So why does renewable energy really matter? Because it does something fossil fuels never could. It gives us energy without sacrificing the planet. It reduces air pollution, slows climate change, creates millions of jobs, and gives countries control over their own power supply. It brings electricity to remote communities without needing massive infrastructure. It strengthens economies, protects ecosystems, and opens the door to a future where energy is not something we fear losing, but something we constantly rediscover. The world is shifting, slowly at first, now faster than ever. Solar, wind, hydro, biomass, geothermal, hydrogen. These are not just technologies. They are the pillars of a clean, safer, more resilient world. Fossil fuels power the past, but renewable energy is powering the future. And the only question left is, how quickly will we embrace it? Well, I hope you found it insightful. I've been G Jason, and I'll see you on the next one.